now we have our alarm. This is the alarm project that we're going to be building. This is one that I built in the past. Okay, now I just want to show you how to hook it up and set it up. So what I did is I drilled 2 holes into the base, and I put 2 holes into the molding. So I'm going to put these screws in here, just get them started. Just like this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them here. You got to secure this to someplace in your room. Now this is a bedroom opening right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use now this is a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten this up so it's secure to the molding, and I don't want it to move. Now there are other ways to secure this. Okay, so now it's secure. Now there's 2 switches on this. There's one switch here. This is your main switch, and you want to make sure that's on. And the other switch is your trigger switch. This one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up a battery first. Okay, this is the 9-volt battery right here. Okay, you're going to need a 9-volt battery for this project. I'm not going to give you the 9-volt battery, so keep your eyes open for one. Maybe you have one in a toy. It doesn't have to be a new one. This one's a used 9-volt battery, and it still works good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it up. Make sure your main switch is off. I'm going to hook it up. Now, I haven't set the alarm with the kids lately, so I'm going to try to maybe get somebody with this alarm. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wedge, and because this is a little loose. See the way that's a little loose in there? So if I use this wedge, I can make it more snug. Okay, now it's not going to move. Okay, now what I want to do is make sure it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my main switches is right here. Just make sure it goes off. Okay, it's not working. So this wire, I might have to resolder that. There it goes. I knew it was that wire because it's the buzzer wire. Okay, so now it's working. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this wedge and I'm going to put it in the trigger switch. So I'm going to put this in here. Okay, I'm going to put my main switch on. Okay, main switch is on. Now I'm going to take the other side. Now this wedge is hooked to a piece of yarn. Okay, now fishing line would work better. And I have a screw on the other side of the door opening, and I'm just going to wrap this around that screw. And then it should stay firmly. Okay, we're going to leave that there. So now it's set up across the door. Again, maybe I'll just try to make sure this works. Yep. Anthony, what I'd like you to go down and tell Esther just to come upstairs. Maybe we can get her.